Welcome to this video on how to generate PDF forms using merge fields. Let's say, for example, you have a DMV form you want populated from a repair order. First, navigate to Forms in the app launcher. Click New. Enter a name, for example DMV form. Under Print Type, select PDF. Set the object to be based on, in this case, a service repair order, and click Save. On the newly created form record, upload a fillable PDF. Then, click on the Enhance PDF Editor tab to open the Merge Field Editor. Select a field from the template to populate. Let's start with Make. Select an object containing the relevant information, in this case the service vehicle, and select a field from the object to populate the form. Let's do the same for model and the customer's name. All selected merge fields save automatically. Next, we'll assign the form to a store location. Navigate to the location record, in this case Reading Motors. Go to the Forms tab. Find your new DMV form and drag it to the available forms list for that location. Click Save. Now let's go to the service repair order to test the function. We're expecting the car's make and model and the customer name to print out on the form. Click Print and select the DMV form on the list. You should see the car's make and model and the customer name. Thanks for watching.